I want to go shopping. I want to go shopping. I like shopping. I like shopping. I go to the market. I go to the market. The market is busy. The market is busy. I enter the shop. I enter the shop. The shop is clean. The shop is clean. I look at the items. I look at the items. There are many products. There are many products. I choose what I need. I choose what I need. I need to buy clothes. I need to buy clothes. I like this shirt. I like this shirt. This shirt looks nice. This shirt looks nice. I check the size. I check the size. The size fits me. The size fits me. I check the price. I check the price. The price is fair. The price is fair. This item is cheap. This item is cheap. That item is expensive. That item is expensive. I compare prices. I compare prices. I make a decision. I make a decision. I ask for help. I ask for help. The shopkeeper helps me. The shopkeeper helps me. I ask a question. I ask a question. I get an answer. I get an answer. I try the clothes on. I try the clothes on. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. It looks good on me. It looks good on me. I feel confident. I feel confident. I decide to buy it. I decide to buy it. I take this item. I take this item. I go to the counter. I go to the counter. I stand in line. I stand in line. I wait my turn. I wait my turn. I pay the bill. I pay the bill. I pay with cash. I pay with cash. I pay by card. I pay by card. I get a receipt. I get a receipt. I keep the receipt. I keep the receipt. The cashier is polite. The cashier is polite. I say thank you. I say thank you. The bag is heavy. The bag is heavy. I carry my bags. I carry my bags. I leave the shop. I leave the shop. I feel happy shopping. I feel happy shopping. I buy groceries. I buy groceries. I buy fruits and vegetables. I buy fruits and vegetables. I buy daily items. I buy daily items. I shop carefully. I shop carefully. I do not waste money. I do not waste money. I save money. I save money. Saving money is good. Saving money is good. I plan before shopping. I plan before shopping. I make a list. I make a list. A list helps me. A list helps me. I avoid extra items. I avoid extra items. I shop on time. I shop on time. I shop once a week. I shop once a week. I enjoy shopping calmly. I enjoy shopping calmly. I like clean shops. I like clean shops. Clean shops feel good. Clean shops feel good. I check quality. I check quality. Quality matters. Quality matters. I choose good products. I choose good products. I trust good brands. I trust good brands. I shop with my family. I shop with my family. Family helps me choose. Family helps me choose. I carry reusable bags. I carry reusable bags. I care about the environment. I care about the environment. I avoid plastic bags. I avoid plastic bags. Small steps matter. Small steps matter. I return home. I return home. I unpack the bags. I unpack the bags. I arrange the items. I arrange the items. I store food properly. I store food properly. Organization helps me. Organization helps me. I feel satisfied. I feel satisfied. I bought what I needed. I bought what I needed. Shopping is complete. Shopping is complete. I relax after shopping. I relax after shopping. I drink water. I drink water. I rest for some time. I rest for some time. I feel calm now. I feel calm now. I enjoy my day. I enjoy my day. I learned shopping words today. I learned shopping words today. Practice helps me speak. Practice helps me speak. I remember these sentences. I remember these sentences. I will practice again. I will practice again. Practice makes me better. Practice makes me better. I feel confident now. I feel confident now. Confidence grows daily. Confidence grows daily. I speak English more. I speak English more. English helps me communicate. English helps me communicate. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. Learning is fun. Learning is fun. I feel thankful today. I feel thankful today. Gratitude feels good. Gratitude feels good. Thank you for learning today. Thank you for learning today. Keep practicing daily. Keep practicing daily. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode. Goodbye and take care. Goodbye and take care.